Hey everyone, in today's video, I wanted to show you how to send direct messages to anyone on your Instagram account using a computer. And we're gonna basically use a product made by Facebook and Instagram, so we don't actually have to worry about using a third-party software. So this option is complete. Let me show you this tool here. If you go to facebook.com/creator studio, there's a Facebook Creator Studio and there's an Instagram Creator Studio, and they're kind of built in together, and they let you do direct messages, posting, and so much more right from a computer, Mac, or PC. So I'm gonna link this in the description, and I'm gonna link to a video that walks you through how to sign up for this. So when you go to this page and try to log in and sign up for it, if you have any issues, make sure you watch that video first to know how to sign up for this. In this video, I'm not gonna walk you through the sign up, but I'll walk you through how to direct message using this platform. So let me minimize this and show you right here. So I'm inside of my own Facebook Creator Studio, which shows you all the different accounts I have on this page. On the side, while I'm on the Facebook one, the Instagram one doesn't have this option, but it lets you connect from the Facebook one. So I'm on this Facebook logo, I'm signed into mine here. So again, you have to create a Facebook Creator Studio first in order to get this option. Go ahead and click this inbox here on the side. So this inbox here will give you access to messages, to comments, to your Facebook, and to your Instagram. So as you could see here, there is something called Instagram Direct. That's the DM, the direct messages from your Instagram. And this is the Messenger one, the Facebook direct messages right in the Messenger. So in this case, I'm gonna click Instagram Direct. And this is what we're looking for. Get Instagram messages in inbox. So it's using the Facebook Messenger inbox to get Instagram direct messages on a computer, and you could go ahead and connect them, and then you could edit reply to direct messages right here. So I'm gonna go ahead and reconnect, and I'm gonna type in my username and password and press login. So now I'm inside direct messages, Instagram direct messages, right inside of my computer on Facebook Creator Studio here, and I could basically respond here to anyone that has messaged me right here inside of my direct messages, and they're gonna get this inside of their Instagram app. I could even send a like or send an image directly from my computer right inside of that, and I could even delete an entire conversation. The only thing I can't do just yet is I can't initiate a conversation here, so I have to start the conversation first on the Instagram app, and then I could continue the conversation here. But most likely, if you had a conversation with someone else, you could basically see that conversation here if you go and search for that. So there's a search option too. You could search for their username. But it's that simple to use Instagram direct messages right on a computer using Facebook Creator Studio. I'll also link to another video that lets you how to do direct messages on a Mac using another software that's exactly like the Instagram direct message, but it's a third-party software. This is a super easy to use free option, and it's created by Facebook and Instagram, so you know there's nothing to worry about here. I hope you found this useful. Please give it a thumbs up and subscribe for daily and easy to follow social media videos, and I'll catch you next time. Thanks for watching.